And yeah, let's now go to the compensation plan. So the compensation plan of the company is very simple. We have two different membership. The first one is if you are going to buy a tangible product. The second one is you are going to buy the services of the company, what's we so-called computing power input or CPI, which is well known as staking. All right. So the minimum staking is $100. By the way, our compensation plan is hybrid unilevel, unlimited direct with unlimited deep. So infinity level, right? Now it says here the average daily yield is 1% daily, and then your capital will be locked with 365 days. All right. Now the good thing is that you are going to have a compounding. Minimum compounding is $50. Every 7 days you can compound your profit. Minimum withdrawal as well is $50. And then there is a charge of $2 per withdrawal. Whatever the amount, the charge of the company is $2. And then minimum withdrawal is $50. Minimum top up, also $50. Right? Now moving forward. I have good news for you guys. I computed the company compensation plan. As you can see here, this is a handwritten of my own, and it says here $100 can become your retirement pay within the next 36 months or 3 years. For how much? Your $100 can become $3.4 million in 3 years time. How? Very simple. If you put only $100, just forget your $100 for the next 3 years. Because all we have to do is to click compound, compound, compound. So on your $100, the 1% of that is $1 daily. So it will take you 50 days before you can have the minimum $50 to compound. Once you have $50, the next capital or principal will be $150 times 1%. Then you are now earning $1.5 every day. And then after 34 days, you can gain $51 profit, which you can now again compound it. And guess what? I've computed this for the next 365 days. We're in first 1 year, your $100 will turn into $3,168. Now, all you have to do is to at least withdraw the $168, and then at least you already have your capital plus you already gain a profit of $68. So what about the $3,000? All you have to do is to roll over another 365 days. So I compute that as well. From $3,000, the 1% of that is $30 every day times 7 days. So every 7 days, you can now compound. And guess what? After 365 days, your $3,000 will turn into $100,740. So you are now on the 24th month or 2 years. So your $100 after 2 years will become $100,740. So I highly advise just get only the $740. But again, ladies and gentlemen, if you need to withdraw, for example, there are some instances that we have an emergency on our family, you need a fund, definitely you can withdraw any moment. Okay, daily you can withdraw, all right? But if you can just hang on and continue to compound, just compounded it, all you have to do is to take the $740 and then the $100,000, all you have to do is to compound it for the next another 1 year. So on your third year, the $100,000, you are now earning 1%, which is $1,000. So every 7 days, just compound it. After 365 days, you are now having the $3.4 million. But you cannot withdraw this money in lump sum. For example, you cannot withdraw the entire $3.4 million in an instant. You can withdraw daily $34,000. That's the 1% of $3.4 million. So at least after 3 years, you can withdraw $34,000 doing nothing. Every day
Wait,
withdraw
wait, say it no.
34,000.
Why do you put your stuff in the dishwasher?
All right. I think somebody opened up their microphone accidentally. Yeah. All right. So there we go. Okay, so that's it for this type of computation and compensation plan. These are for the people who doesn't wanna invite anyone, they wanted just to invest or to put at least minimum $100. Yeah, you can put minimum $100 and then after 3 years, you can now retire. Okay? Just enjoy your life with your family and that's it. But for those people who would like to enjoy the leadership bonus, we have leadership bonus wherein you can earn as much as $39 every month, minimum $39. How? All you have to do is to put at least minimum $300. Then your rank will become S0. And then every single profit under your organization from their daily profit, you are going to earn 2%. So how are we going to earn for the next 4 months? $39 every month, minimum $39. I'll show you the pattern. All we have to do is to duplicate by 2 every week. Okay? Every week, our goal is to duplicate by 2. How are we going to do it? For example, this is you. Okay? That's you. And you put at least minimum $300. All you have to do is to get one on the other line and one on the other line. At least encourage them to put $100 for their retirement after 3 years. It will become $3.4 million. And then these two will get an also two under them within the next 7 days. So every week, duplication of two. Guess what? How much is the profit of that? All right. For example, you get your two this week, and then your two will get two on the next week. So 2 weeks. And then on the third week, another duplication of two. Fourth week, duplication of two. 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks from now, which is 4 months from now, you have 65,536 people under your organization unconsciously, right? Times, all of them put minimum $100. So definitely 4 months from now, you have $6.5 million total group sales volume. Out of the total group sales volume times 0.01, so you are now earning how much? You are earning from the daily profit. Your organization is earning 65,536 every day. Out of the daily group sales volume, 2% goes to you times 0.02%. So you are earning every day $1,300. Times 30 days, you can earn a minimum of $39,300 every month. Minimum. Why minimum? Because if we are going to take a look on the compensation plan of the company, the ranking will highly depend on your capital. Second is the volume sales or group sales volume. Now, if you are going to focus on or take a look on the S5 rank, the yellow one, okay, it says S5. All you have to do is to top up your account. Make it from $300 to $3,750 because every day you are earning $1,300. Why not the first 3 days? Go ahead and top up your account to become S5, $3,750. The minimum sales volume requirement is $45,000. You have $6.5 million group sales volume. So you are now more than qualified. How much will become your daily profit? That's going to be from 2%. You are now eligible to have the 17% from your daily profit group sales volume. So you are now on S5. You already upgraded your account from 300 to 3,750. Now we are going to compute $65,536. This is your daily profit from your volume sales. Times 0.17% as S5, you are now earning every day $11,141. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as $334,000 every month. You can enjoy this, right? And this is just the beginning because you still have S6 rank, and the qualification for you to become an S6 rank is that you need to top up or to have a minimum capital of $5,400 plus you should have S5 on the other line and S5 on the second line. And for you to become an S7, you need to have $7,500 worth of capital plus S6 on the other line, S6 on the second line. You can enjoy 25% out of your total group sales profit every day. My current rank right now, ladies and gentlemen, is an S8. So I'm supposed to enjoy 29% from my group sales volume daily profit. However, there is an S7 under my organization. So out of 29%, they enjoy the 25%. So the difference is only 4%. If I am going to show you my account right now live, okay, let me pull up my account. This is not to brag, but this is just to inspire every one of you guys. I am working with the company for the last 3 months or 12 weeks only. But if you are going to see my volume sales, if I'm going to click my, all right, let me show you first how much is my uh, capital right now. So my current CPI right now, I just started $2,500, but right now I have $13,191. And here on my CPI release, I can definitely withdraw at any moment $538. Now, on the total claim, I've already withdraw or claimed $9,388. All right? Now, everything is very transparent. You can see there under your record. Okay? Now, if I'm going to go with the referral, I will click the referral. Okay, and then you will see there my rank is S8 and my current volume sales is $5,172,000. Okay, so this is consisting of I have a team in Africa, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. All right. Now, I've been working with this company for the last 3 months or 12 weeks. So if we are going to compute how much I am earning, all right, let's compute this one, $5.1 million times 0.01. So currently, my group sales daily profit is $51,000. Out of $51,000, only 4% I get. Times 0.04, I am getting $2,040 every day. Times 30 days, so I can earn this $61,200 every month. Okay, every month, minimum. So that's the beauty of this. And then if I am going to click on this total asset, all right, so I have here $16,103. I am earning Bitcoin. That's the leadership bonus. So if your downline put Bitcoin, he will be earning Bitcoin 1% daily through Bitcoin. And then the leadership bonus will be earning as well through Bitcoin. If they put Bonk, they will be earning 1% worth of Bonk, and then the leadership bonus will comes to you through Bonk as well. So I have a lot of different assets which I never buy, but this came from my down lines down the line. So this is the beauty of our so long. So I am done with the presentation. I hope you all understand my presentations. So we can now go ahead with the question and answer portion, right? I think I can now start or stop the record.
It would be a good idea to record the questions as well, please.
Okay, all right. So let's record the question. All right, any question, my friend? Anyone who would like to ask question?
Yes, please. My question is on the phones.
Mm-hmm.
Do we get a rebate, as you call it, or percentage back every day? And
Yeah, I didn't able to discuss that. Thank you for asking me, Marceli Mayombo. Thank you, my friend. I'll show you again one more time. You can definitely earn out of your phone. Here we go. So